Watch that. Wait, we gotta get on this.
Got it crossed. We're on the other side of it. There you go.
Here, pull that over there. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, stick around for a while. We've got muddy, nasty, dreary weather. It's been like that for the last week, and it's gonna probably be like that for the next few weeks. Hey, yesterday, that middle silo, hay silo got me. It quit, it wouldn't turn on, and I went there for hours trying to figure that motor out. It had me demoralized, to tell you the truth. So, brought my little brother up there, the big guy, the big monster of a man, and he looked at it for a half hour. He couldn't figure it out. By then, the whole day was shot. It was about milking time. We had to milk. We come up with, well, we're done. We did all we could. We're not electricians. We try the best we can. We're gonna hoist the new motor up today. It's gonna take all the brothers to do it. Hey, before I forget, I had a company reach out to me. They wanted to send me some new boots. And I said, okay, well, you're gonna send me some new boots. You send the boys some new boots too. After some him hauling around, they finally said they agreed to it. So I got the boys. I'm gonna put Mark's boots in this truck here, and I'm gonna leave a little note here, and I'm sure they'll appreciate that. But after we get this silo working, hopefully everything goes well, we're gonna do some shop work, and then we're gonna do some work in the milking parlor. So stay tuned and let's go. Here's where we store all our silo parts and accessories. Looking for a motor. Yeah, here it is. I knew we had a big blue one. Rebuilt 2021 in January. So we'll have to carry this out. No pulley on it. I think we'll leave that to the guy that's 6'4", 300 pounds. Have him grab a hold of it. Change of plan. The big guy's taking the other one out. I got him. Get this! Ready to load up. Pull it up with a pulley. Go ahead. Watch that. Wait, we gotta get on this.
Got it crossed. We're on the other side of it. There you go.
Here, pull that over there. Great. Here, let me see that. Go. Pull it back. Pull it back. Ah! Ready? Hit. Ready? Do it. Ready? Go up a little bit more. Slack off. A little bit more. She's up. We're gonna bring the old one down.
Pretty much It's sitting on the step. Just yell, you can intersect. You ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Diesel Pete! Look at that turd.
Don't let go.
Swing it in. Ready? There you go.
Ready, go.
Put it down. Ah! I guess Greg wants to put that in, hook it all up on his own, and we'll feed out this other bunk until he gives us a signal. Hey, did I mention it was muddy out? Yeah. Up 15. Getting close. He's making short work of it. Did you try it unhooked up there?
Yeah. All right, I'll take this trash around and I'll check it.
Can't let it down too much because
Did you move the weight?
no, it's on the end, but you gotta keep it up so all the augers got on there so it starts easy.
No, I know. Wasn't there a weight on the one far side?
There's one all the way on this end.
Put it up on the blower?
No, these are hard to fight, but you can't leave it right flat. You gotta let it dig this end down so it's kind of holding the fluff to it.
Oh yeah. She's fired up now. The big guy wasn't messing around. He knocked that out quick. Now we can get on with the rest of our stuff. Shop work and in the milking parlor. Have steel toe boots.
You gotta move! Go like that! You gotta move!
So we're in here sprucing this wagon up. We're gonna take this auger mate off and put it on our seed wagon. It's a bigger wagon. And we're gonna get this running gear cleaned up. And she'll be good to go. It's still a good seed wagon, just ain't gonna have auger mate on it. Kids are in here, spring break action, that's Jack. And the girls are actually playing dodgeball in the shop. Hit her! Get her with that ball. Oh, he hit the old car. Whoa. Go, bud. Holy cow. Next, we'll move in here and change these milkers. Inflation's gonna take all of us again. I got my nephew Lance here. You change all these rubbers. We do that about every other month, so they can keep the pulsation, and plus they wear and they crack and they get nasty. Set up an assembly line. Now we make our way out to the machine shed, and this wagon's done. Take a look at it. Hey, real quick, Dad parked little Johnny next to his big brother, Big Johnny. That's cute, isn't it? Anyway, so this Kilbro's wagon, now we extended these hoses so you could plug into a tractor, and this is just a seed wagon with no auger mate. But yeah, this is gonna go up for auction now. We painted the running gear, checked all the bearings in there, and painted the wheels. But yeah, look at this wagon. That's all it really needed. This box the guy bought new, we figured, and he put it on this gear. This is a Kilbro's 350. I mean, it's got the sticker on it. So now this is gonna go, I'll take pictures of this and put this on, and we'll try to get rid of this here in the next couple weeks. We'll put it on an online auction, but I think it turned out pretty good. It really spruced it up. So let's head in the shop, and I'll show you our seed wagon that we're gonna put that auger mate on next. So this is what we use, J&M. This is a big, bad seed wagon here. It's got lights. These are called cement tires. Those are heavy duty. It's got a tarp on it and everything. So we're gonna put that, we're gonna end up trying to mount that auger mate probably back here. There's a good big area for it. But I remember when Dad, J&M all the way, that other one had a Kilbro's auger on it, Kilbro's wagon. This one matches too, J&M. But I remember when he came home with this has got two separate compartments. It's got a divider in it. But I remember when he brought this home, this was an auction in Attica, and he pulled this home. This was not cheap. Got a light here if you want it. Wasn't a cheap wagon, but I'll tell you, we like it. It's just massive, massively built. Look at the frame on that. Look at them spindles. So we'll be putting that on there, and then we'll end up probably keeping this with this auger mate here, probably for years and years to come. Okay, well now we're in the milking parlor, getting ready to fire up 8 stalls on a whack. Lee's coming in as we speak. You get them all locked in?
Yeah.
Cold out there?
Yeah.
Haven't brought you in here in a while. That's why I've had a few cows calve. I want to show you once they get in here, and I've got a whole bunch of heifers that are bagging, probably about 10 of them. So what we do is we'll run them in with the rest of the cows. We break them in. They've got them broken pretty good. I'll show you a couple of them when they get in here too. Evening. How you doing today? Evening. That a girl. I get a lot of questions about why do we have all this newspaper in the parlor. My old wrestling coach, Randy Jorgensen, Emily City, they own the paper company. They own Woods and Waters News and the Tri-City Times. I get this stuff, we get to read it, but we also recycle it for them, turn it into fertilizer. That's a December issue. So the cows are updated on the current events, so are we. Let's get her put on. Here's one right here I haven't showed you yet. Number 92, Black Magic. She's on her, this is her third lactation, so that means she's had 3 calves. But look at the bag on her. I like fitting in this stall here. I can kind of show you. But she's a heck of a producer and a very calm cow. I'm milking with my main man Lee tonight. He just informed me 146 is in. Not looking bad. She should be a little cleaner. But I haven't shown you her yet. Now look at her. This cow is currently in her third lactation also. She's not quite as friendly as the others for feeding soybeans and pellets in the barn. Look at this. That'll warm her up a little bit. That a girl. Another beautiful cow that just calved. I really wanted to show you her, how clean she is. Number 36. She just calved about 4 days ago. She's only in her second lactation, but you can see she likes to free stalls and she likes to eat. Speak of the devil, right on cue. This is a heifer that hasn't calved yet. First time heifer. She's pretty well broken. She's wanting that feed, and that's the advantage of feeding in this parlor, is they want to come in to eat to get the sweet feed. But look at the bag. She's starting to pop. Number 20 wants her to get out of the way, so we got to keep her moving. Get her locked in, Lee. Good, Lee. Hey, bud. They don't want to leave. That a girl. Hold on, hon. We'll get with you in a minute. Wow. Here we go. You know, it's funny, that number 20 right here that was pushing that heifer that hadn't calved it out of the way, she's a heifer, first calf heifer, about a month and a half ago. You know, she's already pretty well broke in. She's like nudging her out of the way, saying, get out of the way, you haven't calved yet. I got seniority here. Put her on. And the cleanest, fluffiest cow award goes to number 58. I wanted to zoom in on this and show you. Look how clean and fluffy that is. That is fluffier than my kids' stuffed animals. And it's been said that we have the cleanest cows on YouTube. You guys be the judge. Is there any truth to that? Guys, thanks for sticking around the end of the video. Hey, I just got done feeding out that silo again. She's humming along pretty good. We seen on the inside cover of that other motor, the one that quit, 2010, we put that in there. So 12 years. I just put augers in that silo last summer. So she was digging, and it probably just needs new bearings. I don't know. We're going to get it checked out anyway. Those 7.5 horsepower motors are very expensive. So got that done. A lot of family time. It was spring break. That's why you've seen all the kids. There's 11 grandkids on the farm. And you've seen 6 of them. My 2 girls, Jack, Lance, and Greg's kids. That was Nolan and Adeline playing dodgeball in there. So it was pretty fun to get them right out there helping. But hey, real quick, I got a letter the other day. Greg Leffel out of St. Mary's, Ohio. He made a bar top just like this one. And where the corn makes whiskey, he's got some whiskey up there. It's kind of cool. Thanks for the letter. Appreciate it, Greg. He says you're a positive influence on the farming industry. I appreciate that. They're very educational, entertaining. Thank you for dedication. And he hit the nail on the head. It takes a lot of dedication to make these, but I enjoy them. I like connecting, interacting with you guys. Don't be afraid to send me a letter. I keep all these and I take them to the farm, show the boys. And we also went over to Rochelle's friend's house. There's about 15 of us. Rochelle's got a lot of friends. You see on there, people, you can see why people like her. She's got a great personality. They did a craft day, so me and the guys were hanging out, and the people were down in this basement. So Chloe made me this pot, put my name on it, glued that on there, and then they were painting these. I don't know if you can see it. It says Cow King. So Chloe, she's always thinking. She's got that kind of creative personality. But thanks for sticking around. I'll see you in the next video. A lot done today. the last couple of days, so we're happy with that, hoping to dry out. We don't want to be planting corn in June. So let's get the weather going good. Farm Focus for a sweatshirt, hat, tumbler. See you in the next video. God bless.